5 ways to strengthen, protect, and improve the joint health of your knees. Aging is inevitable. In fact, it's only the lucky ones that get to age. With aging often comes skin wrinkling, graying hair, energy loss, and joint pain. Though some of these signs of aging are guaranteed, joint pain is one that can sometimes be prevented, improved, and reduced with the right lifestyle choices and, in some cases, medical intervention. Here are 5 things that you can try including in your lifestyle to strengthen, protect, and improve joint health in your knees to keep your knees working at their best for as long as possible. Anatomy of the knee joint. Before we can get to the methods, it is important to understand the basic anatomy of the knee. The knee joint is made up of multiple bones: the fibula, tibia, shin bones, the femur, thigh bone, and the patella, kneecap. A healthy knee joint will allow a hinge-like motion with some rotation. Between these bones at the joint itself, you will find the cruciate ligaments, as well as the menisci. The cruciate ligaments are 2 of the major stabilizing ligaments of the knee that prevent the femur and tibia from moving out of alignment. Sports players, particularly football players, often damage or rupture these ligaments. The knee also contains the menisci. The menisci are 2 discs of fibrocartilage that cover the surface of the tibia to prevent the bones from rubbing against one another. These small discs also act as a shock absorber, as well as work to stabilize the joint. Finally, you have the synovial fluid. This liquid is housed in the joint capsule and is composed of mostly water. This thick fluid helps to lubricate the joint to prevent the rubbing of the bones and the cartilage. It also acts as a shock absorber to prevent damage to the joint upon impact. The knee is a very complex joint, meaning that there is a lot that can go wrong, leading to pain and reduced mobility. Although it's important to also seek a physician's advice for any new pain in the area, taking steps to prevent damage to the knee is important also. Strengthen, protect, repair the knee joint. Exercises. Your knees are surrounded by various muscles that help to support the joint. Strengthening these muscles is the best way to prevent damage to your knees, as well as helping to heal knee injuries. Exercises that focus on developing the thigh muscles, particularly the quadriceps, hamstrings, and abductors, can not only protect the cartilage by reducing the stress placed upon them, but can also improve the range of motion of the joint. Squats and lunges are great exercises to strengthen these muscles. However, be sure to keep your knees above your feet. High-impact exercises like jogging, jump ropes, and burpees should be avoided if you suffer from knee trouble. These exercises place large amounts of strain on the joints, which can cause damage long-term. If you are not one for exercise, try simply staying active throughout the day. Long periods of sitting or lying down can lead to joint stiffness and atrophy of the muscles that support the joint. Try to move every hour to keep your knees working throughout the day and avoid stiffening up. Even just going on a short walk for 15 minutes every day can help strengthen the muscles that surround the knee, as well as exercising the mobility of the joint. Maintain a healthy weight. Every time you stand, walk, bend, or run, you put pressure on your joints, particularly your knees. This happens no matter what you weigh. The pressure placed on your joints increases with every pound that you carry, meaning that if you're overweight, you're more likely to place excess stress on the joint to the point that you may damage the cartilage. When this cartilage becomes damaged, it can cause chronic pain in the knees. When the knees cause pain, you're less likely to want to stand, walk, or exercise, which often leads to more weight gain, and so the cycle repeats. Losing weight can dramatically reduce as well as prevent knee pain and damage. It is thought that every pound of weight gained adds around 4 pounds of extra stress on the knees. Thankfully, the reverse is also true. So for every pound lost, you can dramatically and quickly ease the strain on your knee joints. Wear the right shoes. Wearing the right shoes not only help to complete your outfit, but they can also help out your knees. Many orthopedic specialists agree that wearing comfortable and supportive shoes allow for proper alignment of the joints in your legs. Supportive shoes can also prevent the rolling inward or outward of the feet, which can in turn help to prevent knee osteoarthritis. It is also important to choose the right footwear for the activity that you're doing. For example, if you plan to start jogging, then wearing specialized running shoes is a must. Visiting a shoe store and getting advice on which trainers will work for your gait is a great place to start, as there, they will choose shoes according to whether you pronate or supinate your feet, as well as where you place the most pressure when you jog. As well as this, it may surprise you to learn that your feet are perfectly evolved to not need shoes. This means that going barefoot around the home or wherever else is a great way to easily reduce the stress placed on your knees. Going barefoot can also help to prevent skin infections such as athlete's foot, as well as ingrown toenails. Likewise, avoiding high heels and uncomfortable fashioned footwear can prevent long-term damage to the knees and feet. Try taking supplements. There is a reason why cod liver oil supplements have been around for so long and still maintain a popular reputation. One study found that a 1,000 milligram capsule of cod liver oil can prevent damage to the joints by reducing the number of harmful enzymes that contribute to damage. Cartilage is the component in joints that prevents bones from rubbing together, which can cause chronic pain and lead to knee replacement surgery. Research has also found that the supplement SAMe may reduce joint inflammation as well as repair cartilage, meaning that it may help to relieve joint pain. Stay hydrated. The body is composed of around 70% water. This means that water is involved in almost every process in your body, making it essential that you stay well hydrated throughout the day. It is no surprise, therefore, that your hydration levels can also affect your joints. Dehydration can lead to joint pain through the loss of lubrication in the knee. A liquid called synovial fluid is held inside the joint, acting as lubrication as well as providing a cushioning effect. Synovial fluid also provides nutrients to the joint, allowing for growth and repair. Synovial fluid is largely composed of water, meaning that it requires a well-hydrated body to be produced. When there isn't enough fluid, the knee and other joints lack proper lubrication as well as shock absorption, making the joint more susceptible to damage. The knee is a very complex joint where a lot can go wrong that can lead to pain and reduced mobility. Knee pain can be debilitating and drastically affect your lifestyle. Although there are now many medical treatments that can be tried to improve the lives of those suffering from knee pain, like with most things, the best medicine is prevention. There are various things you can try to either prevent or improve damage to the knee joint. Various low-impact exercises can strengthen the muscles that surround the knee and reduce pressure on the joint, while avoiding high-impact forms of exercise can prevent some wear and tear. Losing weight can also help to dramatically reduce the strain on the joint, while wearing properly fitted, supportive, and comfortable shoes can improve the alignment of the lower leg. Staying hydrated can have many benefits to your body and health, with one of these being the reduction and prevention of joint pain. Adequate levels of hydration can ensure the joint remains lubricated, and taking supplements like cod liver oil can also help to maintain full and effective movement of the joint. Try adding some or all of these methods to your lifestyle to see if you notice any long-term improvement in your knee health.